this video, we'll talk about how to edit text in Microsoft PowerPoint. So as you can see here on the screen, I only have the word title as a sample. We already know that we can change the font in a PowerPoint presentation. We can change the font however we want, and if we want to download fonts, you can use the font.com or freefonts.com. So aside from changing the font, you can also change the font color here. You can choose from the preset colors there. You can also click more colors below, so you can just choose any color that you want. You can also edit its capitalization if you want it to be on uppercase or lowercase. You can also edit how far the letters are from each other this way. Okay. And also you can edit if you want it to be align left, align right, or center, or justified. I'm going to show you how to change the line spacing if you have a paragraph, or just as shown in the screen, 2 lines in your text box. So here, ayan, you can just change the line spacing. If you want it to be double spacing, you can click 2, or if single spacing, you can click 1. Aside from that, you can also change the color by choosing colors from a palette, just as shown here in the screen. I downloaded this photo from Google Images. All you have to do is to click eyedropper and then select the object which color you want to copy, just like that. For example, you want to edit the text box itself, just click Drawing Tools, Format, and you can see there your choices: shape fill, shape outline, shape effects. So you can actually change the color of the text box itself. So as you can see here, I'm just choosing random colors just to show you the possibilities that you can actually do here in PowerPoint. Okay, I'm just going to choose black so it's contrasting the light text. You can also change the shape of the actual text box by clicking edit shape, and then you can choose whatever shape is available in your computer. So you can see here, I'm showing you different shapes that you can use. You can also adjust how they look like. Aside from changing the shape fill, you can also add effects. You can add shadows. You can make it actually in 3D. So here I'm showing you how to put shadow on your text box. Okay, shadow, and then go to that shadow options. Okay. So as you can see, you can adjust how far the shadow is. You can also adjust the blur. All of those things you can actually go through if you explore. So there are a lot of possibilities on what you can do, how you make it look like. It all depends on how much time you have to explore what the possibilities are on how to make it more creative. Yeah, I'm also showing you here that you can actually change the color of the shadow. You can also add borders to the text box itself using shape outline. You can even edit the weight or how thick the border is. Okay. You can also add text effects. If you do not want to edit the text box itself, you can edit the text by using this text effects. You can have glow, bevel, if I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so as you can see, you can also add reflection. There's also shadow here. So again, it's really up to you on what you want to use. I'm just showing you here your different options. Okay, this time I'm just going to show you how you can actually make it 3D. Okay, so yan po. There are different options. Again, there are preset options. You can actually adjust them. I'm just showing you here that you have a lot of options when it comes to editing your text in PowerPoint presentation. And that's it for this video.